Hello students, I am Hemant Tap Singh and teaching you mathematics for class 10. Guys, here we were solving exercise 9.1 and we have to solve this question number 3 today. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, he prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined an angle 30 degree to the ground, whereas the elder children she wants to have uh, a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Okay, let's solve this question number 3 here. So question number 3 of exercise 9.1. Okay, so beta, there are 2 slides. It is a pole and there are 2 slides. One is 1.5 meter and one is 3 meter. Okay, and they are making an angle of 30 and 60, I think, and 1.5 meter. And wait a minute please, let me read the question. And yes, 1.5 meter and is inclined to 30 degree angle, and 3 meter inclined to 60 degree angle. Okay, so let's name it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we have to find out the uh, we have to find out the length of each slide. Okay, length of each slide. So yes, let's solve. Let's take it tan 60 equals to perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular is, so can we take any value which have any ratio which have hypotenuse and perpendicular? So we write here Pandit Badri Prasad Hare Hare Bol. So beta, here perpendicular and hypotenuse is given in the sine ratio. Okay, so we will take sine 60 equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3, but we don't know hypotenuse. So, and we know sine 60's value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 here. So hypotenuse equal to 3 to the 6 upon root 3. We rationalize it with multiplying with root 3. So 6 root 3 upon 3. 3 to the 6. So 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the first slide, this one. Okay, now now take sine 30 here. Sine 30 equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 1.5, and hypotenuse we don't know. So in this case we will take value of sine 30. It is 1 upon 2. So 1.5 upon h hypotenuse. So h equal to 1.5 to the 3 meter. So this is the answer of question number 3. Similarly, you solve better. Question number 12 to 16, and I will help you in solving the questions. So okay, thanks.